everyone. Today I have a very special guest with me. Her name is Kayal Willi. She is 15 years old young author from Chennai, India, who is an avid reader. She is always curious to learn new things, and she is a record holder of many highly competitive records, such as first teenager to write a book on art and culture, maximum medical science branches recited in 30 seconds, fastest to write periodic table in reverse order, etc., which are recorded in Asia and Indian books of records. She is a winner of various national and international competitions and is published in numerous platforms, and different articles of hers is published. She also owns a website where she posts many informations about India's art and culture. Her aim is to serve India and live for India. Welcome, Kailvali, and it's amazing to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for Mosmi team to having me here.
So, how do you find the association with Mona Mosumi Services?
I am very eager to read and write articles. Since it was December time, I was searching for article writing competitions, and I've gone through Mosumi, and there was such a amazing articles where because I was very eager to write and read it. So I loved it, and the month I have participated was such a beautiful topic which was covered for about your monument. I'm actually a art and culture mentor, so it was so beautiful. So I love the topic, and I have participated. Yeah.
So, what stroked your passion for writing? How did you come across writing as a passion?
I'm fascinated about writing, which tries to engage increase my, enlarge my skills in reading and writing. It was such a beautiful and pleasant thing, which make our heart to feel something new. So that was so good, and help grow research skills, which was mind blowing.
So, now that you are a published author, do share your experience about writing a book.
It was quite different from writing an article, because in the article I will take only 1 to 2 days to write it, because I will do research only in internet, and but it is so difficult to write a book, because I have written a book which was about it's a non-fiction book which covers about art and India's art and culture. So I need to research and go through people's also, and my parents were so supportive. They helped me a lot to go through it. I have gone through internet, people's, and I'm a Tamil girl, so I have been to many architectural places, such as Dravidian architecture, which engaged me to write something new about, and it helped me a lot. So if anyone write a book or an article about architecture, I suggest them to go to that type of places to enlarge their skill.
So, what kind of research goes behind your writings, be it the book
Yeah.
or the articles?
Yeah. I have in past time itself I said that I've gone through people's also, because we can get more experience about writing. If I gone through such a five peoples have different ideas about that architecture or some story. That might be very good to learn. So I suggest everyone to go through people, and not only through not internet. Go through, ask some people. It might be get a new experience for us. Yeah.
Right, the ground view of anything is very important. In internet, we can get the writer's perspective or writer's view, but if you research and ask people about it, you will get the ground reality of something. So that
Yeah.
kind of a research is needed, and this is a research which people don't do often. So yes,
Yeah.
you informing them is important. Thank you for that. So,
Thank you.
For you, what do you consider as the most difficult part of writing an article or any literary piece?
Uh, it's difficult. I think I faced to it. It need to be make interesting. It must. They need to love that book or an article. They need to connect themselves to the article. So I have gone through many researches, which sometimes I will awake till 4 a.m. For writing such type of article to give my best. That was little bit tougher than I thought.
Yes, definitely you need passion also to continue that flow of writing. And writing and ideas can strike at any time of the day. So you need to be at your toes all the time.
Right.
So since you are into science, how do you explain the link between science and the field of architecture or field of literature?
Literature is a thing which we need to must learn. And science is such a mind-blowing thing which need also we need to we are want to explore. Need to explore each and everything such as literature, science, art and culture, etc. We need to explore each and everything. If you like science, don't go through only science. You can explore literature also, which is so mind blowing, which also loves you. Everyone need to explore. So I like to explore many things. Since I'm in science, I like literature. I'm an art and culture mentor. So we need to explore things. So that's a beautiful thing in the world. We are born to explore. Yeah.
Your talks does not seem that it's coming out of a 15-year-old. You're quite mature in your thought processes, and that's quite refreshing to hear from you. So, in your journey so far, who has been your biggest inspiration?
My inspiration is my parents. We can't see anyone more stronger and motivated than our parents. They are such a stronger and best motivator, most role model for us. From since we are younger or since we are born, first people which motivate us, make us so strong as our parents. So my role model, my inspiration is my parents.
Definitely, they should be given credit to where we are and what we are doing. So now, if I'm talking about your writing style, so do share some tips with the audience on how to improve their writing style. If they are hearing this interview, they would like to listen from you that how they can improve on their writing skills.
Uh, for writing skill, I will say uh, I don't have any type of writing skills. First, I think about the topic, and I will go through some ideas from internet, from people, and from I gain from my knowledge. And I will give one tip that first, don't forget any points. If you get it from a people, note it down. Note in write in a paper for just a typing we cannot memorize. If you write in a paper, it will make it easy and we can see whenever we can. So if first each and every key point is must for writing. So you need to write in the sim take a note for writing an article or a book, each and everything.
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely. In this digital world, people are actually forgetting the art of writing, and paper and pen is as important as typing. So, if we have those ideas put down in a paper and pen, that will be very helpful for others also and for our information as well. Right? Language. Language has a vast area. Did you ever feel that language has power?
Yes, language has a power such as speaking, writing, reading. In each and everyday life, we are using a language to primary tool for expressions and communication. It's a language has such a great power for which helps to do each and everything such as speaking, writing, reading. Yeah.
Right, absolutely. Language is what unite people, and if we don't know language, I don't know, we might be communicating using sign language or something. I don't know what our world would have looked like if we did not have languages. So,
Yeah.
lastly, any message that you want to give to the viewers and the future participants of such competitions?
I have a suggestion that please explore each and everything. You need to explore. We are born to explore. Explore each and everything and do many researches which help your future things. We need to learn from not we need to learn from such a younger age kid. It's a baby also we can learn something. We need to explore. Need to go through something. Don't simply play games. To grow such a future, your future will be such a bright thing if you explore each and everything. If you like science, explore more in science. Also, if you like literature, explore in more and more in literature. And it will be a so beautiful thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Coming from the, yeah, coming all this coming from a 15-year-old, that was something really amazing. And yeah, I wish that you all keep up exploring, and I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful future
Thank
ahead. It
you.
was lovely talking to you. Thank you for taking out your time and having a chat.
Monomuzumi team, thank you so much for helping me. Thank you so much. Especially thank you for you.